even bob all the way around. This is the bottom, all the way around. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. Nice even bob. This is the bottom, all the way around. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. So this is the final.
What's up, mi gente? Bienvenidos and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Alexis DM. Bienvenidos. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm assuming that you're here because you want to see me revamp an old wig of mine. This one is actually one of my favorites, but I'm not really too fond of the style of cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and give her a quick little trim, try to give her a different look, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So if that's something that you're interested in, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, you guys. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, so this is the wig that I'm going to be transforming. It's not really a huge transformation. Really what I don't like about the wig is this asymmetrical part or cut that it's got going on. It just gives me like, I don't know. It's really cute and everything, but I don't know. I just think I want to go ahead and just cut it straight off and just give me like a bob all the way around. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and be taking this, transforming it into a nice bob, and then we're going to lay it on and see how that goes. So let's get started. Let's get to cutting. These are the scissors I got. I don't have any hair cutting scissors. These are the only ones I have. So they're not even sharp. So yeah, we're gonna pray. We're gonna say a quick little prayer real quick. Okay, please guide my hands as I cut this hair. Please let it be nice and straight and let it be cute. Amen. So out the way, now I'm gonna take it off and I'm going to put her on our handy dandy little wig head that I got as a gift. Alright, so we're going to put her there. So I'm just going to make sure that the head is nice and straight. And I can already kind of see where it goes from here, from the back. And this is all nice and even all the way around. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to start here and I'm just going to cut this way. And yeah. Alright, here it goes. I'm going to cut in a downward angle. I don't know, girl. I'm gonna leave a little longer in the back, I think. I'm gonna leave it a little longer than what it is, only so that way I can like cut into it to make it not as choppy. Into it to kind of blend any of the choppiness. We're gonna blend the choppiness in there so it doesn't look straight. It kind of has some layers and some movement. I've seen the hairstylists do this. This is what they do. Down just like a smidge of baby hair just so that it looks a little more natural, but I don't know if you guys can see. So this is kind of what it looks like right now. The fact that this side is a little bit shorter, I don't know, I feel like it's a little realistic because if you put your hair over, the hair on this side is going to be shorter, but over here there is a couple of strands right here. So while I have it on my head like this, I'm just go ahead and kind of like just even it out. go ahead and take off the scarf and let's see what it looks like. I like it. I really do. I prefer this cut so much better than that long bob, that asymmetrical bob. I just couldn't get with it. It is not super even, but you know what? It'll do. It'll do. It's not like something super unnoticeable. Let me just show you the back from the side. It's not a lace front, so I did have to put a little bit of shunting right here just to make it look a little more natural, so you couldn't see the actual lace itself, because it is dark. So I just put a little bit of baby hair there just to cover that. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys like? If you think it's cute, hit that thumbs up. Put a comment down below. This was just a quick little video just to show you that something so simple. All I did was do a quick little cut, and it can revamp something old and give it some new life. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit those thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that button down below. I would love for you to join my family. Other than that, you guys, I hope to see you really soon. Hasta la próxima vez, mi gente. Mwah! Te quiero. Stay safe, everybody. I know it's a crazy time, so please, please, please stay safe. Stay home if you can. And to all my essential workers, thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Mwah! Ciao.